Good afternoon, all the students, and welcome to the virtual class. Today, we will start a new topic in a grammar that is a homophones. This is a very short and simple topic. Now, let us see first what is a homophone. Homophone, when you differentiate this word, homo, that means a same, and phone, that means a sound. So, when it's come together, the meaning is same sound. So the homophone, that means the same sound. So here, basically what we have to do, we have to find out those words where the meanings are different, spellings are different, but the sounds are same. So you can see in this picture, homophones which have a different spelling, which have a different meanings, but the sounds are the same. That is the homophones. When I'm saying this, the sound it should be a same. One thing comes in your mind that it's same as like a rhyming words. But no, here you have to say a homophones where the meaning is same sound. Okay, and their first letter. The first letter it's also you can see a same. The first letter is also must be a same because the sound it should be reflected a same. Let us see a more example. Before moving towards, you must be have to understand a simple meaning of homophone. That is, the two words that sound is same have a different meaning. So here the sound is exactly same but have a different meanings. Okay, dear students. Now let me share few example in front of you. Examples like a sun and sun. S-O-N sun. S-O-N sun. S-U and sun. The both the suns, the sound is same but have the different spelling and the different meaning also. But when you say the both the words, their sound are same. Sun and sun. Okay. The first picture, if you see SON, son, that means child, a son, boy, child, that we called a son. In a second picture, if you see, there is a SUN, that sun is different. Okay, that sun, that is a planet which we are seeing in our sky. Okay, so basically, homophones, these two words are homophones, where the meanings are different, spellings are little bit different, but the sounds is exactly same. So students, don't say these are can be a rhyming words. Don't say because it's not you can say a rhyming words. It's a clearly homophones where the same sounds it's reflected. Let me see more examples. Now the other example is C, S double E C, and the next is C, S E A C. Now C, first picture, what's the sentence is written over there? I can see that cow. See, that means you look someone. That is a C. Second picture C, S E A. S E A. He lives near the sea. Sea. Okay. That is a surface of the water bodies. That is a sea. So students, this is another example of homophones where you can see the spellings and the meanings are totally different, but the sound is exactly as same. Same sound, C and C. So that this kind of words is comes under the homophones. We have more examples. Plain. It was a plain room. Such kinds of place, if you find a plane, Plain, the meaning is different. And the plane, he went to Kashmir via plane. The plane, it's different. Plane, that means the airplane that we use for traveling from one country to another country. Okay, so here the spelling is also different. Here the meanings also the different. But what is the same? A same sound. Before only the starting lecture, I told you student, the homophone, this concept, it's very easy. The meaning is also easy, and to identify on and solve out the questions about the homophones is also very much easiest. Only the one thing is that you have to be think about the words same sound. For example, if I'm saying aloud, what will be the homophones of aloud? Or what will be the same sound of aloud? So you have to be think about that. So what is the same sound of aloud will become aloud, aloud, aloud. That means if you are speak so loudly, aloud, that means you are speaking very loudly. Aloud, that means you are speaking very loudly. And next is piece. Pice, piece. That means a small piece of cheese, a small piece of paper, small piece of any amount of food, cloth, any amount of things. All right. So as you can see here, students, the sound is same, but the spelling and the meanings are totally different. But the sound is exactly same. Peace and peace. Here we have some examples like a sun, sun, plane, plane, sea, sea, peace, peace, eight, eight. Okay, so have you observed this? In these examples, the sound is exactly same. Okay, when you pronounce these words, their sound, you never ever missed out any miss. The sound is different. Everyone, every word sound is exactly same sound. Let me see a more example. The phonic sound also. In our alphabets, how, how many alphabets we have? From A to Z. In our alphabets, we are pronounced in different words. The sounds are different, like A, B, C, D. But in our phonics, sounds, somewhere the later sounds are same. Okay? So that there are a few words where the sounds are exactly the same. Just like you can see it, B, E between you and B, U, E, that you, okay? Because that is comes from a different words.
Hello, Sunita teacher, we are not able to hear you.
Uh, but teacher, I'll unmute myself.
Yeah, you were not muted, but still we are not able to hear you from the piece. Okay,
Okay, okay.
homophones piece.
Okay, students, let me start again. To clear your concept again, that you more understand the concept properly. So I'll start this example again. Peace and peace. So here you can see two different sounds. Sounds are same, but the meanings and the spellings are different. We have the more examples. Other examples you already have seen. Other 8 and 8. EIGHT 8 and ATE 8. The meanings is different. It's it shows the number and other is shows that you ate your food. Okay. But the sounds are exactly same. We have the more examples. Dew and dew. Dew and dew. Fair and fair. Maze and maze. Weather and weather. Ring and ring. Okay, as you can see, students, in this examples, their spellings are different, but the sounds are exactly same. So, students, why this thing is happen? Because in our alphabets, A to Z letters are there. When you pronounce A, B, C, D, everyone sound it's different. But when it is comes under the phonic, when we are talk about the phonic, in that the sounds of few letters, it's little bit same. Okay, it's little bit same. So in a phonic sound, we come to know and you can observe also somewhere some letters sounds are same. So this concept is comes under two and it comes out from the phonics. So that's the reason there are such kinds of words where the meanings are different, spellings are also different, but the sounds are same. We have a lots of examples over here, like a dew, dew, fair, fair, maze and maze, ring, ring. Okay, students, meanings are different but sounds are same. This thing is happen because of the sonics phonic sounds, okay, and because of the phonic sounds, and they are comes under to the homophones. We have the more examples also. See, two words. Just a second, let me zoom this for you. See, two words that spell same but have different meaning is called a homophones. That means their sounds are same but have a different meaning. I'll give you one example. I'll give one example. So, S-O, so, and saw, SAW, saw. Okay, somewhere this both the words, the sounds are same, but they have the difference meaning. All right, we have lots of example over here. No and no. First, you can see no and no. K and O W no and N O no. In a first word no, K is silent. Okay, K is silent, so it is pronounced like a no, right? And an O that is called a no. So there the spellings are different and meaning also, but the sound is same. Next is new and new. Here also sound is silent. All right. Let's consider the sound and EW, new. All right. And new, new and new. All right. The one first word meaning is that we are knowing something already. That means new. Second word meaning is new, that the things if you get first time, you see a first time, that is a new for you. All right. So two words where the meaning is different but the sounds are same, because here the phonic words and phonic sound play a important role. All right. So beat and beat, beat and beat, two different words. Beat when you hit someone, that is a beat. And next is beet, everyone's know that is a fruit name. Cheap and cheap, okay, they have the two different meanings. Flower and flower, flower and flower, this is the two different meaning, but then too their sounds are same. So these are the words whose comes under the homophones. What is the mean of homophones? Homophones, that means a same sound, where the spelling is different and the meaning is different, but the sound is same. One more thing, students, have you noticed each and every words? The starting words are same. Okay, as you can see, C, here also C, C and Z, F, F. But somewhere you cannot find a same word, some same letters are there, just like no, no, not, not. Why this thing is happen? Because K is silent over here. Because K is silent over here. So here we are mostly pay attention towards the sound, towards the sound. Understood? So as you can see, aloud. See here, aloud. When you speak loudly, that is allowed. See what is the next same word? Allowed. Allowed. When you give someone a permission to do such kind of thing, that is comes allowed. Okay. Allowed, that means if you speak so loudly, that is allowed. Okay. So meanings is different, and what we can see, meanings is different, spellings is different, but the sound is exactly same. And here in this pair you can find a question is also a, and answer is also comes starting a. Why? Because aloud, when you pronounce a starting a sound is pressurized, a sound is reflect over there. Okay, so we are focused on the sound, what the sound is there. Understood? So this is about the homophones. Okay, dear students, homophones, homophone, that means a same sound, the words which is reflected the same sound. That is, we I have shown you so many examples also. Okay, you have to be observe clearly the sounds, you have to observe clearly the sound. For example, C, what is it spelling of C? S double E C. The same sound we have the another word, that is a C S E A, C. Okay, so focus on the sound. All right, so this is a very simplest concept definition about the homophones. So here our grammar short topic is completed, student. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you everyone.